Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to remove your fingerprint, so as you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove fingerprint lock in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about. So guys, now let's see how to remove fingerprint. So then first of all, open your phone setting to remove fingerprint. Then guys, scroll. Guys, you can see your biometric and security setting. Tap here. Then guys, you can see your fingerprint setting. Tap here. Guys, draw your pattern. And guys, you want to add fingerprint, so as you can add from here. But guys, we want to remove, so I tap here, and guys, you can see remove. First click and remove. So guys, your fingerprint will not work in your Samsung phone. Fingerprint has removed. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove fingerprint in Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.